If the fixtures in your bathroom wobble or get loose, get your next accessories from SwiftStall.com. High-quality brass fixtures from SwiftStall come in 3 designs and finishes. The simple mounting method is much stronger than traditional accessories and installs in a fraction of the time. Installing accessories into studs is the best option, but studs are rarely in the optimum location. So most accessories use plastic anchors, small screws, and set screws which soon loosen and become unsightly. The patented SwiftStall installation method is simple, fast, and a much stronger way to securely attach bathroom accessory. Easy steps. For single-post accessories such as towel rings, pick a location. Drill a 1/8 inch hole through the drywall. If a stud is found, drill the hole deeper and use the supplied wood screw to attach the accessory. If the area behind the drywall is hollow, enlarge the hole to 5/8 inch and use the bolt and wing nut. Remove the top end cap on the post. Put either the hex head screw or bolt into the hex driver and insert it in the top and out the bottom of the post. Place a lock washer on the screw and insert it into the pilot hole in the wall. If using a bolt, attach a wing nut just to the end of the bolt and insert in the 5/8 inch hole far enough for the wing to expand behind the wall. Pull the accessory toward you when tightening the bolt to prevent the wing nut from spinning behind the wall. Level and tighten it firmly. Finally, cover the end of the post with the top end cap. To install towel bars, position the 2 posts 24 inches apart and follow the same instructions above. You will need a drill or power driver, a 5/8 and 1/8 inch drill bit, magnetized nut driver bit included, and a 24 inch level. SwiftStall, expert bathroom accessories.